Now here we have the classic eBags 4-piece packing cube set. This is a superior quality made with breathable Techlite diamond nylon premium YKK zippers. The interior seams are fully finished for durability. Soft mesh tops will not damage delicate fabrics. So the point of these bags is to stay organized for travel, for keeping in your gym bag. I personally keep them in my tennis bag, and it makes organizing and finding stuff really simple. The mesh material helps you see things clear, efficient, and even gains more room in your bag or luggage. With double zipper, it makes it easy to open and close. Fully breathable and lightweight. You don't know you need a product like this until you have it.